We need a loud round of applause, parents, please. Can I hear it for everyone? A little louder will do. I now call upon our higher coordinator, Mrs. Saroj Grover, to felicitate Mr. Prahlad Maru and Mrs. Rekha Maru, parents of Sudarshan Maru, studying in 9th A. Mr. Ajay Tulsian and Mrs. Sadhna Tulsian, parents of Aksh Tulsian, studying in 9th B. These are proud parents of achievers and all-rounders, and that's the reason they make us our special guests. Mr. Sudhir Bhimrajka, Mrs. Madhu Bhimrajka, parents of Chaitanya Bhimrajka, studying in 9C. Let's clap louder for these proud parents. Mr. S. Krishnakumar and Mrs. Shanta Krishnakumar, parents of Siddharth Krishnakumar, studying in 9th D. These are the parents of our all-rounders and achievers. Mr. Devendra Jain and Mrs. Sarita Jain, parents of Sakshi Jain, studying in 11th A. Mr. Dinesh Chaudhary and Mrs. Anuradha Chaudhary, parents of Vaibhav Chaudhary, studying in 11th B. Thank you so much to all of you. May we have a loud round of applause for our special parents who are parents of achievers and all-rounders. It is time we acknowledge the talent of brimming buddies in the prize distribution ceremony. May I now call upon Mr. Jagmohan Shekhon to please do the honors. Can we have you on the stage, please? We begin with our achievers who have won laurels for the school. To begin with, it's Kajal Dokania from 8A, the outstanding performer of Gujarat Football 2012, under our GD Goenka football coach, Mr. Devang Bhagat. Can we hear it louder? Khushi Patel of 8A, outstanding performer of Gujarat Football 2012, under our GD Goenka football coach, Mr. Devang Bhagat. May you all keep winning laurels for the school. Pari Gajera, again another outstanding performer of Gujarat Football 2012, still under our very talented GD Goenka football coach, Mr. Devang Bhagat. Mausam Patel of 11th Commerce, outstanding performer of Gujarat Football 2012, still under our GD Goenka coach, Mr. Devang Bhagat. Can we hear it louder, please? Yakub Matara of the 9th Standard, outstanding performer of T20 World Cup Cricket, under the guidance of our GD Goenka cricket coach, Mr. Ashish Singh. Utkarsh Narola of 11th Commerce, outstanding performer of T20 World Cup for cricket, under our talented coach, Mr. Ashish Singh. May you always keep rocking. Muskan Bansal of 7th A, star of literary activities, Spell B, under Simi Hasija, our GD Goenka soft skill trainer. That was very well done, Muskan. Keep it up. We have Tanisha Agarwal, star of literary activities, Spell B, under the guidance of our GD Goenka soft skill trainer, Ms. Simi Hasija. Keep it up, Tanisha. We have Sachi Lada of 11th Commerce, star competitor at SVNIT for Bulls and Bears under the expert training of our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Choraria. Very well done. Keep going and winning lots of laurels for our school. Vinay Rathi, 11th Commerce, star competitor at SVNIT Bulls and Bears, again under the expert training of our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Choraria. May you win many more laurels for us. Palak Dudani, star competitor at SVNIT for Adventure 2012. Again, the expert training by our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Choraria. Ayushi Agarwal of 11th Commerce, star competitor at SVNIT for Adventure 2012 under the expert training by our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Choraria. May you strive ahead always, chasing rainbows and crossing boundaries. Can we hear it louder for our achievers? Parents, you need to be proud of such children who have won laurels for our school. Thank you so much, sir. May I now request our Principal, Sir, Mr. Manohar Maxwell, to do the honors. Krishna Makwana, 11th Science, star competitor at SVNIT Adventure under the expert training by our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Choraria. That's a very good achievement. She needs a louder applause. Twinkle Singh of 11th Commerce again, star competitor at SVNIT for Adventure, again led by our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Choraria. These are children who have gone out of school and achieved laurels. Parents, they need a louder applause. Rashi Parekh of KGB, the outstanding artist for drawing under the guidance of our Goenkan art teacher, Ekta Mehrotra. Our little artist. May she be the shining star and keep shining all the way through. Siddhi Mehrotra of 7C, another outstanding artist under the guidance of our Goenkan art teacher, Ekta Mehrotra. You will succeed always. Many more successes coming your way. Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Mrs. Geeta Shroff to give away the awards. We now come to the sports category, who have added feathers to the cap of GDGIS. Here, we begin with Utkarsh Narola, 11th Commerce, the star cricketer of this session, under the guidance of Ashish Singh, our Goenkan cricket coach. The winning stars of GD Goenka are here on stage to inspire and motivate the others. Let's keep clapping for them. Akshay Patel, 11th Commerce, the footballer of this session, under the guidance of our Goenkan football coach, Mr. Devang Bhagat. Our future by Bhutia. Faria Memon, 11th Science, the star basketballer of this session, under the guidance of our Goenkan coach, Diptesh Taylor. May she soar to the high skies. Aarti Patel of 9C, the star volleyballer of this session. guided under the Goenkan coach Suketu Solanki. A very good athletic spirit indeed. Can we have it louder, parents? We have Manishri Dalmia from KGA, the star skater of the season. Under the Goenkan skate coach Shabuddin Sheikh, the little angel on wheels. Thank you so much, ma'am. May I now call upon Mrs. Rita Punjabi to do the honors, please? J.K. Patel of 9th A, the star lawn tennis player of the session 2012, led by our GD Goenkan coach Raj Zariwala, probably inspired by Leander Pace. Keep going, Jay. Mansi Sojitra of 8C, the star taekwondo fighter of the session, guided under our Goenkan coach Ravindra Rajput, the role model of girls for self-defense. Vakyan Ribadia of 1st A, the star swimmer of the session under the guidance of our Goenkan coach Jigisha Bhagat and Jignesh Bhagat. He is all set to conquer the deep seas. May we hear it louder for them. Riya Jain of 7th A, the star yogician of the session, under the guidance of Bhumika Dwivedi and Ditesh Taylor. Definitely spiritually strong. Vedant Gupta of 3rd A, the star table tennis player of the session under the guidance of our Goenkan coach Raj Zariwala. Sure, he is able to smash down all the obstacles that come his way. Our young fighter. Parents, can we hear it for him? Thank you so much, ma'am. May I now request Mr. Ketan Desai to please come on the stage and do the honors. Gatik Boob of 1st A, the star chess player of the session, guided under our Goenkan coach, Mr. Suketu Solanki. Our junior, Vishwanath Anand. Can we hear it for him? Harish Agarwal of 6th B, the star squash player of the session, guided under our Goenkan coach, Mr. Rajiv Singh. A very powerful player. May you strive ahead, chasing rainbows and crossing boundaries. Viraj Tada, 11th Commerce, the star pool player of the session, guided by a Goenkan coach, Mr. Suketu Solanki. A very focused student. Life is full of challenges, but the ones who face them, cross them and win them. Dipanshi Shah of 8th B, star student of aero modeling, under the guidance of Mr. Gaurang and Selena. Definitely a high flyer. May you always keep flying high, Dipanshi. Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Mrs. Pinky Bachkaniwala to please come and do the honors. These are the winners of those clubs which we run in our school. The star student